A South Australian trial evaluating cherry varieties from an earlier breeding program is looking forward to its first fruit yield in the 2017-18 season.
This is the evaluation project that Cherry Growers South Australia developed in evaluating the leftover or the remaining varieties out of the National Breeding Program. The industry, well, the State Association saw fit to continue the evaluation. It was just going to be archived, so we thought there's still some potential left here that could be of benefit to the national industry.
The trial was planted in 2014 and hopes to identify cherries suited to Australia's unique conditions.
We've had plenty of varieties, new varieties come in that haven't been bred in Australia, that they might be firm or hard, but they just don't perform in our climate conditions. Hopefully we can find 2 or 3 or maybe more new varieties that suit our climate, our market, our industry.
The trial is being run at Andrew Flavel's property in the Adelaide Hills and has nearly 800 trees using material from the National Cherry Breeding Program, which ended in 2014.
Well, we used 115 lines that were still remaining to be looked at from the Lenswood National Cherry Breeding Program. We also took 11 comparators, which are known cherry varieties across the season. So they're all planted randomly in here with the others. You've got 3 different rootstocks. Mazzard, we chose that as the industry standard, and a couple of the new precocious ones, which are Geisler 6 and Crimps 5.
But the project has not been without challenges.
Some of the rootstocks we've had a dwarfing. We're using G6 and Crimps, and some of those rootstocks were very skinny, very weak rooted. And then F12, that's quite a powerful rootstock, and they were nearly broom handles with next to no roots. So we had some limitations around the quality of our grafting material, but we've seemed to have pushed through that. We've got some pretty good trees here. Some are still struggling, but that's just life. We were hoping to get fruit off of this past season. There was next to none. I think just from memory, there might have been 6 or 7 trees that flowered with half a dozen fruit in them. And hopefully this next season, there's some good buds there. So we're looking forward to some good fruit to work with.
The expected fruit from the 2017-18 season will allow better evaluation of the variety's commercial qualities.
The project ends in 2018, so we'll get the next season evaluation in it, and then we'll be looking to extend the project in an evaluation capacity beyond that.
And it just benefits everyone in the end if we can identify some good lines and move them on to be mainstream in the cherry industry.